Zaporizhzhia on a cold and rainy day. This being an action camera, we should do some action, I suppose. It's quite dangerous with these shoes. As dangerous as you make it. Bourbon, the last of the American whiskeys. Jimbo Brown recording in Zaporizhzhia, going the opposite way. We have a bag full of beer and chips and some flowers. Women love flowers. We're gonna go the crazy way. Not the crazy way, but the best way. We'll see if these shoes hold up. We'll go down. It's kind of slippery. That's how you do it. You just slide down, and then up the stairs. The earthen works of Zaporizhzhia. Back to the wrong side of the tracks. Another day in paradise. That's me. Hello. Hello. I'm finishing off a big batch of chili. This is, I don't even know how to pronounce this, but it's 4.8% beer. And this 2.35 liters of beer cost me 31 remya, so $1 and say 7 cents. As you can see, the Underground Books is represented all the way across the world. And now we're gonna sit down and have a beer and some chili. And this is life in Zaporizhzhia. Not so bad.